Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make a bootable pen drive for Windows 10. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to download Windows 10 ISO image file from the internet. So just go to the browser and in the search bar just type Windows 10 ISO download, and after this just hit enter. Now just click on this first link, Microsoft link, go down, and now just click on this button, download tool now. So this tool will allow us to download the Windows 10 ISO image file. So just click on it to download it. I have already downloaded it. So just download it, and after this just double click on it. Click on yes. Now just click on the accept button to accept the licensing terms. Now just choose the second option, create installation media for another PC, and click on the next button. Again click on the next button. Now just choose this second option, ISO file, and click on the next button. And now just save the Windows 10 ISO file wherever you want to save it. I will not save it because I have already downloaded it. So I will click on the cancel button. You just go ahead and click on the save button to save the Windows 10 ISO image file. So this is the Windows 10 ISO image file that I have downloaded. Now after this, what you have to do, you have to download another software. So just go to the browser and in the search bar just type Rufus and hit enter. Click on this first link, create bootable USB drives, Rufus. Go down and then just click on this link, Rufus 3.14 version. So I have already downloaded it on my system. Now what you have to do is you have to insert a empty pen drive in your system, and the pen drive should be at least 8 GB in size. So just insert the empty pen drive. After that, what you have to do is just double click on this Rufus application, click on yes, and you can see my pen drive is already showing here and it is of 8 GB size. So just select your pen drive under the device. Now in order to select the ISO image file, just click on the select button and just select the ISO image file. Now you have to select the partition scheme. The partition scheme here refers to the hard drive partition scheme of your system. So you have to check the partition scheme of the system in which you are going to install the Windows 10 using this bootable pen drive. And the way to check it is just go to the search bar and type computer management. So yeah, it is showing in the search result. Just click on it, computer management, click on yes. Click on disk management in the left hand side. Now just click on this disk 0. Right click over it, click on properties option, click on the volume tab, and you can see that the partition style of my system is GPT. So likewise you can also check the partition scheme of the system in which you are going to install the Windows 10. So after checking it, just close this and make sure that the GPT is selected here if it is GPT in your system. But if it is MBR, then just click on MBR. Under file system, the option will automatically get selected, so you don't have to do anything. After this, just click on the start button to start the process. Click on OK button. So this process will take some time. So the process is now complete and all the ISO files are now copied to the pen drive. Just click on the close button to close this, and now your pen drive is a bootable pen drive, and you can use it to install Windows 10 in any of the system that you want. So this is how you can make a bootable pen drive for Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.